The heat wave continues and the power limit is coming. The industrial diesel generator set can solve the urgent power limit. In the context of the recent power restriction, some enterprises have been suspended by the power grid. How can we ensure that the normal power consumption is not limited? The diesel generator set can solve the problem of power limitation. Dingbo diesel generator has many specifications and types, strong power, supports customization for special needs, and has the advantages of stable voltage, reliable operation, low emission, low noise, low fuel consumption and convenient maintenance. In the video, this 300 kilowatt Yakai diesel generator set has a rated power of 300 kilowatt and a standby power of 330 kilowatt. It adopts Yakai 6-cylinder diesel engine, matched with a pure copper brushless generator, and adopts a digital control system to achieve a high degree of intelligence. The base oil tank has strong power, safety and stability, can adapt to a variety of working environments, and can meet the power requirements of customers in many aspects.